Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for a very long time, but I think I'm going to get back into posting one video, at least one video a week, probably on Fridays. So today I'm very excited because the first one that I've ever gotten, which I did pay for myself. This is the Nick box. So obviously it's Rugrats, Hey Arnold, Real Monsters, Ren and Stimpy, just a whole bunch of 90s mainly. So as soon as you open the box, this is what you see. You see all the products inside, and it says the Nick box. The Nick box. So let's get right into it. And it comes with a product card, which I actually like. So this right here is the Rocko Modern Life pouch tote. I mean, I think this is so cute. I mean, look how small and compact, and plus I used to love this show. And then you open it up, you unzip it, and it turns into like a bag like this. I will personally end up using this for like my wet clothes if I go to not the beach, but if I go swimming somewhere or something like that, use this. And look how cute it is. He's at the bottom. Thought that this was very cute. I mean, this isn't honestly something I would just like carry around, but like I said, I would use this for my wet clothes. The next thing in here is from Rugrats. This is a notepad and a pen set. I think this is so stinking cute. I'm going to open it. I haven't opened it yet. So here has the ball and of course just the paper. It is lined paper, so you get quite a bit of pages in there. And this is so cute. Looks like a screwdriver. And you just pull it out, maybe. Oh, yeah, okay. You just pull it out of there, and then here goes the pen part. So I think this is so cute. I literally love this. I mean, it's kind of big, just be carrying around. So, I mean, maybe if you want to carry this part. But it is cute for just like a display or something. Okay, the next thing in the box is a towel. It says Space Madness Bath Towel. And this is Ren and Stimpy. This is it. I wouldn't consider this. It's kind of hard to show you the whole thing. It's really not that big. I don't know who they thought could really use this. I mean, I would need something more than this. But, I mean, my son could obviously use this. So, this is really cute. Like I said, I hope you were able to see it. Just looks like that. But, yeah, it's still really cute, and I really do like it. So, I'll probably let my son use it. The next thing in here is a Reptar pin, which I absolutely love. This is so cute. Let's see. Okay, the next thing in here is from Rocket Power, which was one of my favorite shows. And it's a customizable fingerboard, so it comes with little stuff to customize your skateboard. So, oh crap. Okay, so here goes the Rocket Power stickers, and you just customize your skateboard. Kind of feels like felt right here or something. I could be wrong. I'm not really sure. Anyway, it's still really cute, and you just go like this. Okay, the next thing in here I absolutely love. Now, they do ask your size, I think, just in shirts. And I said a large because I usually do wear a large, but this is kind of big, which I do not mind. I would honestly probably never wear this in public, but I will definitely wear this as like to bed or just around the house. This is so stinking cute. This is the Crumb cosplay shirt. And now right here on the sleeves, here go the eyeballs. There's one on each side. And of course, you got the hairy armpits. I've never really watched this show that much. I mean, I've watched it maybe once or twice when I was younger, but never really that much. This wasn't like one of my shows that I just loved. But I mean, as you can tell, it's a large and it's kind of like big. But I absolutely love this. I already tried it on and it feels so good. It's actually like very, very soft. So it's from the Real Monsters. The next thing in here, which I love and I'm probably not going to open, is from Hey Arnold. It says Stoop Kid Vinyl Figure. This is so freaking cute. I absolutely love this. So it's just regular vinyl figure. So cute. And the last thing in here, which I cannot wait, paper just dropped, I cannot wait to use, is a Stimpy soap dispenser. I'm so excited. It is so cool. I have already opened this. I haven't put any soap in it, but I did open it. And this soap comes out of his nose, which I think is just so stinking cute. So it comes in this. And then here goes the soap thing. So the soap obviously comes out of his nostril right there. And you just go to, let's see, yeah, like this. And then you just pump it. And I think it is kind of hard to get your fingers in there to untwist it, to be able to put your soap in it. But other than that, I mean, I think it's so stinking cute, and I literally cannot wait to use it. I'm probably going to go put soap in it right now, actually. Well, after I finish this video. And then you just close it back up. So, yes, that is everything I got in the box. Sorry. I think the box was $50 or $40. I'm not sure. Like I said, I will link all the information down below. I think this is a really cool box if you're like from the 90s and you're used to, you know, all the Nick shows. I mean, I absolutely love this. Like I said, like Real Monsters, I didn't really watch that much. I mean, Ren and Stimpy, I watched some of. I didn't watch that much, but I actually really like love everything that's in this box. So, like I said, I'll post all the information down below, and hopefully I maybe post another video either tomorrow, just because I'm trying to get back on the verge of uploading all the time. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll post a video tomorrow. If not, it will definitely be next Friday. Thanks for watching.